Alright, now it's time to figure out what we can find that's grabbable in a microwave. Let's see what's inside. First, we got to take the screws out to see anything. Torx. Oh, these are Torx. No screws out of it. Pretty sure we got a transformer. Let's see what else is in there. What's good and what's not. Let's see what this one is. Steel. Steel pile. I wish we got our big cord here. But always gotta miss one. Over here too. Always gotta be tricky and hide once in there. Open sesame. If you don't want to go, get a bigger hammer. There you go. If you have a bigger hammer, if you have this problem, where's your hammer? You had my hammer. See? Got scared. Let loose. All right. Oh, some more goodies. There's a lot of wires. Wires, and more wires. As you can tell, I hear rain. Always got to make a video during the rain, I guess. Let the boats fly, pick them up later. More steel. Pick it up later. And we got our little cutting utensils. Steel. Cut those off. Oh, there. Plastic. More plastic. Magnet. No sticky. Oh, that one is. The little ring is, but the little, that's a little brass. Nickel-plated brass. Sometimes it's copper. It's got a grind on it. See what comes out. That's metal. This little dude's got some aluminum and a little bit of copper and stuff in it. We'll put that in our pile to take apart later. Some more clippity. Wires to put the wire bucket. And look at him. Look at all these goodies. Lots of goodies. A light bulb for a microwave. If you had the same brand and everything, that could be savable. So we'll hang on to it just in case. Put it in our bulb bucket. Some more of those that need to be cleaned up. The little connectors. They all got brass and copper in them, so if you take the time to clean them out, you'll have a little bit. I get a bucket full, then I decide if I'm bored enough to go through, remove them all. Got a little brass piece copper. Got to grind it to see exactly what it is. Let's get our cord off of it. Cord. Take our end off. Put it in a little bucket, pull those out. There's our extension. Let's see what we got here. Copper little terminals. A lot of little terminals in here. Let's see. Oh, electric motor with a fan. Look at that. Couple of wires. Connector box. There's one right there ready to go in the other deal. Get it off. Come to me. There we go. Take this little dude off here. And I've got the little bucket over here that I keep all of the electric motors in. Get it, trim it! There we go. That little plastic, but this is good. You see, electric motor. You take a chisel, take all that copper off of it, and then you can got a little number 2 copper on there. We'll do that in a little bit. Put it in my to do this. But this is our plastic pile. Little circuit board, got copper, some little, there's possible palladium in those. Put those in that bucket. Alright, little circuit board, we'll get that out of there, put that in our to-do bucket. Give it, give it. Phillips, there's Phillips everywhere. Now let's see. Is this going to be aluminum? Or is it going to be copper? As soon as I figure out where my other magnet went. I'm always losing magnets. Keep a few extra. Oh, it sticks. No good. Put it in there. Oh look, there's the magnet. I decided to get in the floor and pick up some screws. Yay, magnet. Let's see, what's this? Oh, one of those little thermal sensors. Get off. Take a piece of metal off of it. Get a little jewel out of there. Bend those up. Get that aluminum pile. Scrap iron. Take that apart later. There's another one right there. Bend them up. Take a piece of metal off of it. The more metal you take off of it, the higher price the scrap yards want to give you. So I try to get them clean. Got in here. More of these little wires. Clip, 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 clip. Do a lot of cutting wires. Connector. Oh, I already see a big transformer. Yes, sir. Big transformer. But the question is, are you going to get lucky and have a copper transformer or aluminum? We shall see. That's yet to be determined. is what shoots your radiation out, but I'm not sure what all's in one because I haven't taken one of these apart because I'm not. Yeah, it sticks to that. Sticks to that now. I think those are stainless. It's something. Oh, there's big magnets right there. 2 big magnets. One there, one there. This is stainless. It says danger high voltage. But this is what shoots out the microwaves. We'll have to take that one apart. See what's in there too. If you can get them apart. Plastic. Alrighty. Now, what we have here is the capacitor. We'll make sure that that little bad boy is not charged. Those will hold a charge. You don't want to get bit. Alrighty. Take your little pair of your pliers, insulated. Turn that dude around and touch it to that one. Real good there. Make sure that these dudes are okay. Discharged. We're good. Aluminum. You put it in the breakage bucket. I tried taking one apart. It's got like aluminum wrapping and stuff in it. And that's copper or brass on that. Flip those, put them in there. Eventually you get a big bucket of those. Add up. Let's see what we can find. I try to be real thorough. Try to get everything out that's salvageable, usable. Anything any good. That one. Breakage. We broke it. Got a little switch in there. And I like these little switches because some of them's got a little dab of silver in them. You just gotta pry them out. Put them aside to be taken apart. And then plastic. Now we got a circuit board over here. Let's see what's with here. What kind of circuit board do we have? See if we got any gold plated plug-ins on here. No, they don't look like gold plated. There's a relays. They got little silver contacts in them. More palladium chips. There's some silver chips and stuff, and there's a crystal oscillator. There's a few more on that side. So we'll put that in our circuit board to be heated up and extract all that. Alright, any connectors on there? There's the one right there. Any more? There's some goodies right there. Peel that off. Put these in the wire bucket. A lot of low grade wires. Another one of those switches. Trying to hide the goodies. Goody, goody. Goody, goody. Oh, oh, oh. Nope, no, that's just hiding. It's just plastic. Almost thought I had so good. Remember, be thorough. All right. Let's see what else we have. Nope. That part's gone. Put this with my other switches. Here we go. Let's go be heavy. Let's check her out. What's in here? Might be some goodies in there. Oh, the little baby motor. There's a little turntable in there. Let's see if we can get that dude out there. I'll have to dump that one out. There's a wire right there. We'll dump it out later. Oh, there it is. Here we go. Baby motors. Zoom, 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 zoom. Got a bucket over here with little electronic motors. Alright. Let's just see what we got. See what we got. Dang. Aluminum. See what the top one is. But it's covered in stuff. Bottom one's aluminum. The big top one is copper. So there's a chunk of copper. We'll have to cut these out and break them apart to get those out, and we'll have some copper. We'll lay that over here and get done later. Alright, let's see. Anything else we need out of here? Here's my wire. Nope, nope, nope. Wait a minute. See something. Remember, be thorough. Oh, that's a socket. Why do they have to have a socket? You gotta be kidding me. I got a socket. Give me a second. Where are you? Let's see what we got here. Smaller. I'm always wrong on the first guess. Second guess, okay. Here we go. Get that one off in there. All right. Oh, that goes in there. Oh, we had something. Looky there. Sometimes there's copper and stuff inside there. Let's check. No sticky. It's metal. Now those stick. Those are steel, but this is not sticking, and it's silver looking, so it's probably stainless. So that can go in our stainless bucket. Sweetness. Sweetness. I think that is it. We have accomplished our goal. Got the microwave strip down, but there's a control panel. There might be some goodies in there, but let's see what we can figure out on that. Remember, I try to be as thorough as possible. It's not gonna be that good. It's just a circuit deal. There's nothing in it. It's got a little bitty bit, but it's gonna be a pain to get out of there. We'll try it in a little bit, see if we can get it out. We'll leave this with a shell. Microwave shell. Now you want a shell? Bye.